Welcome to Jikusenga farm. Today we are training you on how to do pruning, most of pruning of fruit trees, apples. When they are mature, they are bushy. You can see these ones. So we transform in these kind of bushes because they ain't productive. See this kind of bushes? This is what we are transforming. This type of bushes to have one single stem, one central leader system like these ones. You can see from the ground until 2 feet, all 60 centimeters. We want our branches to start there at 60 centimeters. So this is what we're doing. We're pruning them. You can see even bigger ones, we're cutting them down. You can see this is branching. And then now another thing we need to do is train these branches to have lateral branches like this one. So it needs to have lateral branches. So there are some tools that we're using like this one. This is called a loop. It's part of a shear, so it helps to make the work easier. Okay, we also use these shears for the small branches, also a pruning saw. So this is what we're doing. We're just training the branches to have one single stem, and then we also introducing pollinators to the farm, which we're going to graft to make the trees more productive, because if they don't have pollinators, we are not going to achieve the required stage of production that we need. So this is currently what we're doing, pruning the trees. We don't want bush, we want all the nutrients to come through one single stem from the ground, all the nutrients to come through one stem from the ground, so that the tree can accumulate as much food as possible. So look at that beautiful tree which has remained there. So we don't want any shoot from the ground until the 60 centimeter length. So this is what we have been doing to this farm. We've been pruning all of them. We want all this manure to be used by one single strand, and then one single stem, and then the other branches, the lateral branches, because I told you these branches need to come down this way. We have to train them using either pegs. We can use also a string, or we can use a binding wire. So any can do. So that is what we're going to do to this farm, so that the production of this farm can be massive. Then another thing we are going to do, let me show you here, is we're going to defoliate. Okay, like example, you can see in this tree here, these leaves are not producing any food, and the reason is because of these fungal diseases. This is leaf spot, you can see that, you can see blight here, early blight. I also saw some late blight somewhere. So we want also to do what? Defoliation. Okay. One good thing after defoliation is that you remove all the fungal diseases from the tree. You can see how the tree is looking, okay, after defoliation. So we're going to do defoliation so that our trees can focus on healing first. We're also going to apply some copper-based fungicide on these hoods so that it can help the hood in healing very quickly. Okay, so we are going to apply a copper-based fungicide. Then another beautiful thing about these trees is that what we want to encourage is spurs. You can see in this branch, okay, this branch need to come down this way, and you know these shoots, they need to be lowered a bit. Okay, so these shoots are the one which acts as our spurs. Like you can see this one, this is a fruiting spur. Okay, these are buds for flowers. So this is what you need. We need as many spurs as possible. These are going to help us attain maximum production, because you see the spurs, when they are near the fruit, it's going to remove a flower which is mature enough to hold as many fruit as possible. So that is our target for today. just pruning the tree, defoliating, and also training these branches. Okay, how the diseases are there, so we're going to spray even down here fungicide just to help control these fungal diseases, so that our tree, when they start blooming with new leaves and new flowers, they are okay and free from fungal diseases. If you have more questions, you can ask so that we can train in you. Look at this, is a beautiful orchard we are managing around, so that we can get maximum production. Have a good time and God bless you.